If you are wondering if it is possible to use a built-in blood glucose monitor on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, then the answer is no. Unfortunately, Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 does not have a glucose monitor, so we cannot really directly measure our blood sugar levels. Of course, we have a bunch of different features that are available either in the Samsung Health app over here, or we can also use the Samsung Monitor, Samsung Health Monitor, which has, for example, the sleep apnea detection. We can check the blood pressure and we can do ECG. But other than that, of course, that's all we have available. And unfortunately, the Health Monitor is available only if you have a Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So even if somehow Glucose Monitor becomes available, even via updates or something, then you have to make sure that you have Samsung Galaxy smartphone to be able to use this Health Monitor, which is the most probable app that is going to be used for that. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.